Lathe machine, the most important machine tool required for precision manufacturing. How it becomes CNC lathe. Old tree lathe. This is picture of old tree lathe. Then things improved and came the spring pole lathe. This is picture of spring pole lathe. Next one. The fiddle bow. This is picture of the fiddle bow. Major revolution. Foot lathe. This is picture of foot lathe. Electrical revolution. Lathe running on motor. And after few more improvements, CNC lathe machine. The most imp tool in precision machining. At PA Precision we have CNC Turning Center of LMW India for all. Precision engineering and precision manufacturing.